The Curious Caterpillar. A short moral story. In a sunny meadow filled with colorful flowers, there lived a little caterpillar named Carl. Carl was no ordinary caterpillar. He was bursting with curiosity and always wanted to learn more about the world beyond his leafy home. One day, Carl saw a butterfly fluttering by and marveled at its wings. "How do you fly so high?" he called. The butterfly smiled and said, "One day, you'll find out for yourself." "But when?" asked Carl. "You must be patient and trust the journey," replied the butterfly. Determined, Carl explored far and wide. He learned about flowers, clouds, and even the wind. Still, he longed for wings of his own. One morning, feeling tired from his adventures, Carl wrapped himself in a silky cocoon. "I'll rest and maybe, just maybe, I'll wake up with wings." Days passed. When Carl finally emerged, he felt different. His legs were slender, his body light. Looking down, he saw beautiful wings. He was a butterfly. Carl flapped his wings, soaring above the meadow. His patience and curiosity had been rewarded. Moral: curiosity and patience lead to beautiful transformations. Trust the journey, and you'll discover your wings. Thank you for watching.